Odysseyers, yes, Odysseyers. Mike Martin's here with the Mike Martin channel. Thanks for being part of the channel. All right, I was sent this article, and I'm going to break it down for you in less than 3 minutes on why it's too late. What's too late? Here it is right here, folks. Canada will almost certainly ban foreign buyers as both major parties promise. So they want to ban foreign investing. Foreign investing has been a plague on Canada for many years now, and it started in 2010 after the 2010 Vancouver Olympics. So we're going to get into this in under 3 minutes and explain to you why. So here it is. Don't forget to follow us on Odyssey, where you can see live streams of Mike in the Night, because we can't put this on YouTube. Anyways, so it started, if you want to get to the meat and potatoes, it started in 2016 at the height. This is the height of it in 2016. Canada needs more Chinese immigrants, says federal minister. So what do they mean by that? Well, they mean a lot by that, because Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and the UK were competing, and places like California, Seattle, all those places were competing for wealthy immigrants. A lot of the blue states, they were competing for wealthy immigrants, and that was propping up their GDPs, their economies, and everything. Let's move on. Foreign buyers overlooking Vancouver heading to Seattle in frantic pace. Well, look at the Seattle housing market after November 2017. Foreign investors skipping Vancouver as interest in Seattle real estate spikes. I can't find the video. I can't find the video for the one where they frantic pace to Toronto too. What happened? Well, Vancouver put on a foreign buyer's tax to help cool off the markets because it's been out of control. The average homes are going up $20,000, $30,000 a month in value. The average person that was born and raised in Vancouver scratching their head and saying, not only can I afford to pay for my education because I have to get a loan, a student loan, I'm going to have to save for 30 years to put down a down payment on a mortgage. So housing is not tied to wages, and that's why you're not going to see a housing correction, and that's why Amerifornia is coming. And a lot of people in the States saying, well, America is going to see a correction with all these evictions. No, that's going to be bought up by big corporations, and that's what we talked about Amerifornia. So let me get this. So there it is. Then, Aboriginals and whites leaving Metro Vancouver. So people born and raised in Vancouver have to leave. Canada would be in a recession without money laundering. Hundreds of billions of dollars laundered through Canada, and former BC Liberal government accused of ignoring money laundering evidence. So they can't process anyone for money laundering infractions, and I'll tell you why. It's over 100 million 98 million money laundering infractions just in the year of 2020 during the height of this big pandemic. Everyone's moving their money out of China into the Commonwealth, and that's why people in countries like Australia, New Zealand, the UK, and again, the blue states like New York, Massachusetts, California, Seattle, Washington, and Oregon, those states are under fire here. Oh, I'm over 3 minutes. Okay, so here it is. And how do they make this money, or where did this money? The money came from fentanyl produced in factories owned by the Chinese Communist Party, and the fentanyl was killing a lot of the youth in Vancouver. More people died in 1 or 2 months of fentanyl overdoses on the street of Vancouver than died of all of COVID in the province in 20 months. And deport more Europeans, family facing deportation from Canada to return to Portugal. That's during the height of the pandemic. And that's just how it works. This is how it works, and this is why banning foreign ownership, they did it in New Zealand, and it was too little too late. Canada's going to ban foreign ownership, but they didn't before because it was considered racist, and they need to prop the economy, and you will never see a correction in sight because we're going to be headed towards negative interest rates, and they're going to go with the digital currency. So Canada will certainly ban foreign buyers. Nobody cares anymore because the majority of the good money has already left. The fentanyl has been already served on the streets, and our youth has died. And you got Jagmeet Singh proposing he's going to go after the money launderers. No, you're not. No, you're not. If you think I'm lying about how much money was laundered in Canada, look at Westpac in Australia. Australia's second biggest bank. 26 million money laundering infractions in one bank in 1 year. 26 million. That's just one bank. What do you think Canada? Canada calls it money placement. If you have money that's illegal, bring it into Canada. We'll place it. And that's why they are ignoring the whole money laundering thing. Can Canada ban foreign buyers? Sure. Should they? Well, they should have done it in 2010 at the beginning of this mess. Comment below. Lots of love. Share this video. You guys are the best. I'll be on the Kevin J. Johnson show tonight. and we'll be discussing this in depth and a lot further.